What up guys, this is your boy Smooth. I'm back again in another video. Okay guys, today I'm going to make a video about how to install your packs, FL Studio packs. Okay, before we waste more time, let's get this video started. Okay guys, on this video I'll be using my pack. This is my piano pack. Okay, about how to install it. Let's say here your pack, but you don't know how to install them. What you need to do, let me stop editing this. Okay, what you need to do here, where you open the folder where you want to install your pack. Okay, let's say you want to install a pack here. I usually create a folder where I install my pack, so I also recommend you to have a folder where you install all your pack. Okay guys, what you need to do is to open WinRAR. This is the application I use the most, and I also recommend you to extract with when you are extracting packs, PC packs, you know what I mean. Okay, here is this folder. So now I just need to extract this to let's just what you need to do is extract to, you choose the folder USB, then you choose the folder where you install your packs. Where you install your packs. Okay, you choose in the folder, you press okay. Okay, here is the pack extracting, so you just have to wait for it to finish extracting. Wait for it to finish extracting. Okay guys, here it is done extracting. It's done. Let's look the folder where I usually pack my packs. Okay, here is the folder, my cover production. Okay, we have to look whether it is there. What I recommend you to do is, because there are many packs, is to just go to FL Studio. Okay, here is FL Studio. Open close. Okay guys, after closing that WinRAR, open FL Studio. Then here your packs here. What you need to do, because your pack will be not just appearing without scanning them, what you need to do is to go to options or file settings. Okay, this is where you'll be searching for you will browse your packs. Okay, you press the folder here. Okay, I'll be using a new one. Press the folder here. Okay, you press USB drive, my cover production. Okay, it will be browsing itself. It will search the packs itself. Okay, when done, you remove this. Let's look for the pack. Here guys, here's the pack. Here's the pack guys. You can see the pack is working. The cap. Okay guys, for the pack I'll be dropping it next month. I think I'll be dropping it next month when I'll be doing some tutorials. I'll be doing some tutorials how to make a piano with this pack, because this pack is a Spood piano pack. I'll be also dropping a hip hop pack. So guys, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Most importantly, enjoy and share this video with your friend. Thank you for watching. Peace